A luxurious treat, layered in a glass to steal the spotlight. Each layer dancing together starts with juicy, sweet strawberries, meets with pistachio butter, crispy, toasted golden kunafa, all beautifully dressed up in velvety chocolate ganache. This dessert captures the essence of Dubai and is absolutely irresistibly luxurious. It's a dessert that's classy, crunchy, and completely crave-worthy. Top it up with some more roasted, phyllo and crushed pistachios, ready to steal the spotlight in every bite. Experience the taste of Dubai, chocolate strawberry, kunafa, cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you, Presents Dubai, chocolate strawberry. For pistachios cream, take 1 cup pistachio. Pour hot water over them. Give it a stir. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Take 200 grams kataifi kunafa phyllo dough. Always check if it's good or spoil. Chop kataifi kunafa dough. Instead, you can use vermicelli. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a pan. Let the butter melt completely. Put chopped kataifi dough on a pan. Roast well. Roast until crispy golden brown. Transfer in a mixing bowl. Now, let's make pistachio cream. First things first, peel off the pistachios. Simply pinch the skin between your fingers and peel it off, or rub off the skin with your fingers or towel. Works best after blanching or roasting. All pistachios are peeled well. Let it air dry for some time. Meanwhile, melt the white chocolate. Break the 150 grams white chocolate and add into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat in short intervals. Microwave the chocolate for 20 to 30 seconds at a time, then stir. Stirring helps distribute the heat and ensures an even melt. Repeat until melted. Continue heating and stirring in short intervals until the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. Transfer peeled pistachio into blender jar. Blend it. Pour melted white chocolate. Pour 1/3 cup condensed milk. Add 1 tablespoon coconut or any cooking oil. Add a pinch of salt, ½ teaspoon vanilla essence. There's no need to buy from the supermarket. You can keep in the refrigerator for up to 1 to 2 weeks. Spread on bread and have it or use it in any desserts. Whenever you want, just give it a quick stir and enjoy it. Blend well. Stop, check consistency, and scrape down the sides if needed. Blend until forms a smooth paste. Remove it. I want a little pouring consistency in this recipe, so I kept it like this. If you want spreadable consistency, add less condensed milk, or if too thick, add more condensed milk. Your freshly creamy pistachio butter is ready. Wash and clean fresh strawberries. Cut it into half. Repeat the same procedure for all. Keep them aside. For ganache, take 150 grams milk chocolate. Break it. Add 75 milliliters cream. Add 1 tablespoon butter for shine. Melt 30 seconds intervals. Check in between to avoid burning. Stir well. Completely melts. Consistency should be like this. It will more thickens once completely cooled down. It's time to assemble. First, add chopped strawberries in a glass. Then a layer of pistachio butter. Next, a bed of toasted crispy golden kunafa. Followed by the rich chocolate ganache. Again, layer it to arrange strawberries. Repeat the process until the cup is full. It's inspired by the Dubai chocolate and London's Borough Market's strawberry. By combining them together, you will get this mouth bursting full of flavours heavenly dessert at home. Pour some pistachio butter over strawberries. Again, layer it with chocolate ganache. Top it up with toasted golden kunafa. Finished off with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios. You have to try this recipe. Let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And there you have it. Dig it and enjoy it. The crunch of kunafa, the sweetness of strawberries and the smooth richness of chocolate all coming together in one unforgettable bite. A modern dessert masterpiece, a decadent fusion of textures and flavours of Middle Eastern tradition and modern elegance, crafted for those who crave something bold, beautiful and a little bit boujee, crave something truly unique. Each bite offers a perfect harmony of crunch, sweetness and indulgence. Do try and thank me later. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.